Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. We are from group 3 and today we're gonna show how the way to change the hexadecimal to decimal. Hexadecimal is represent to the base 16 and decimal is represent to base 10. For example, if we have FA8 hexadecimal which is base 16 needs to change to base 10 which is known as a decimal. So first we need to change first the letter F and A. F is represent to 15 base 10 because if we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. After 9 is not 10 but it's represent to A, B, C, D, E and F. So A is represent to 10 and B represent to 11, C represent to 12 and D is represent to 13, E represent to 14 and F is represent to 15. So as we know, F is a 15. Now A is represent to 10. So we take 10 base 10. So we change F A 8 base 16 to base 10 by this one is 0, 1 and 2. So 16 power of 0 times with 8 plus with 16 power of 1 times with A is represent to 10 plus 16 power of 2 times with F is represent to 15. So 16 power of 0 times 8 is equal to 8 plus 16 power of 1 times with 10 is equal to 160 plus 16 power of 2 times with 15 equal to 3840. Then plus 8 plus 160 plus and 3840 and it is equal to 4008 base 10. So next we're gonna try for example 2. If we have a 5, 8 and 9 base hexadecimal which is base 16, need to change to decimal which is base 10. So we make it as usually 5, 8, 9 base 16 which is 9 is 0, 1 and 2. Must start from 0. And then 16 power of 0 times with 9 plus with 16 power of 1 times with 8 plus 16 power of 2 times with 5. So 16 power of 0 times with 9 is equal to 9 plus 16 power of 1 times with 8 is equal to 128 plus 16 power of 2 times with 5 is equal to 1280. So plus 9 plus 128 plus 1280 is equal to 1470 base 10.
Welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to change a number from decimal to hexadecimal. In other words, a number in base 10 into base 16. As an example, I will be showing you how to use 256 in base 10 and I will change it to base 16. For the first step, we will take 256 and divide it with 16. When 256 is divided by 16, we get 16 with no remainder. So we put the dividend here and the remainder here. 256 divided by 16 is 16 without no remainder. Then we will take the answer from the previous iteration and repeat the same steps. 16 divided by 16, we get 1 with no remainder, as shown here. Then when we reach 1, it will automatically be put as a remainder after you divided it with 16. 1 divided by 16 is 0 with remainder 1. Then, if you want to read the number into base 16, read it from the bottom to the top. In this case, it will be 1, 0, and 0. The answer will be 1, 0, 0 in base 16. For the second example, I will be using 590 in base 10 and change it into base 16. First, divide 590 with 16. You will get a decimal number. We cannot use a decimal number in our next steps, so we have to find the next nearest number in the multiplication table of 16. In this case, I have found that 16 times 36 will get 576, which is the nearest number to 590. So, I will use 36 as my dividend and put it here, and I will subtract 590 with 576, giving us 14. 14 here will be the remainder for our operation here. For the next step, the dividend from the previous one, which is 36, will be divided by 16. We also get another decimal number, so we have to repeat the same step. In this case, 16 times 2 equals 32, the next nearest number to 36. Thus, 2 will be put as the answer here, and 36 will be subtracted with 32. You will get 4. 4 here will be the remainder for the operation here. The next step, 2 divided by 16 is 0, and the remainder will be 2. Now, the answer will be read as 24E. E here represents 14 in the hexadecimal scale. And here is the answer, 24E in base 16.
I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I